Hey everyone, welcome to Gen X Garage. Today I'm going to do a couple little things on the GTR. I get a lot of questions, or I've had a lot of people ask about how do you put them on a regular lift, because they got special puck locations, stuff like that. So today I'm going to show you how I do it. I was shown this by a GTR mechanic that only works on GTR, so I've done everything with it and it's worked out really well, so I'll show you how we do that. Alright, so today I was changing the oil. Figured it'd be a good time to do a little video on this. Whenever I put the GTR on the lift, I mount the front, or not mount, but set the front to where the tow hook locations are. Obviously, if that's strong enough to tow the car, it's strong enough to hold the car. And this is shown to me by a GTR mechanic that does a lot of side work at home, and this is how he does it at home without the special lift they have at a lot of the Nissan dealerships. The back, these are just literally where the puck locations are. Underneath there's a little square cut out. They do make some adapters for this that specifically goes into that, but no different than sitting on any other car, so I don't really see a need for that. So the backs just go on those. The fronts come way in. So they are about a foot and a half in, something like that. The big trick to it is, because a lot of guys can't figure out how to get their lifts to accommodate that, what I do is I put the car on the ground in neutral. I put the car far enough back where I can slide the front arms underneath it, and then I slide the front arms underneath it as I'm rolling the car backwards. Because if the car is straight down right now, there wouldn't be enough room to swing both arms out because how far up that one needs to be. So like I said, it's in neutral. When the car's on the ground, have it in neutral, just slide it back. Well, swing the arms underneath it, like swing them underneath while it still can fit, and then slide the whole car back until the point where the back ones can swing in from the tires. This is just a Titan lift. It's in our shop. I've never had to do anything like drive the car up on blocks or anything like that. What I do is slide them underneath there, basically all the way down, and then just rotate it up so it is touching the car. But if those are in the all the way down position when you slide it under the car, it fits. This car isn't lowered or anything like that. It does have factory side skirts. It's factory pretty much everything except tires. So I don't see any real need to do that, but I guess if you needed to get extra height, like I said, a lot of guys build like three 2x4 ramps, so it's like goes up, up, up. That'll get you, what is that, 4.5 inches. 2x4s are 1.5 inches, so 4.5 inches. But yeah, so real quick video on that. Just wanted to show everybody where I put them. Like I said, the backs are in the factory puck locations. Oh, here's what the puck location looks like right there. But the fronts, on a regular lift, you can't reach the front and the back. The lifts are just too close together. Arms are too short. Nissan has a special lift to do it with, but like I said, so instead of going to this location, we just go to the tow hook location. Car is extremely stable. Never had no wiggling issues, anything like that at all. So I just wanted to show that to everybody. Thanks.